I can't stand those shitty dads that don't pay child support. The only way these fuckers pay is when they're forced by a motherfucking court. It's funny how they have the money to buy shit that they don't need, but they're always broke when it comes to, oh, I don't know, money for their kid to eat. Let's call it what it is. They're a fucking piece of shit, and they don't even deserve to be called a father. Cause if you're not gonna fucking help look out for the motherfucking well-being of your child, then why do you even fucking bother?
There you are. Let's see how long it takes for you to crack.
Roses are red. These kids are pretty slow.
You can't just yeet all the special ed kids out the second-story window.
My dog ate a wild mushroom, and we just spent $140 for the vet to tell us she's high.
My boobies, my massive fucking titties, my super stuffed milkies, my honker bonker doinky boinkies, my fabric stretching, wind flapping, gravity welling sex mounds. You mean these super duper ultra hyper goddamn motherfucking tits?
Yes, Daddy Eggman, let me sucky wucky.
Let's take a gun shop, okay, and put it next to a big-ass liquor store, and then take both of them and put them next to a Chuck E. Cheese.
Don't make fun of the furry community.
Why not?
If they can afford a $2,000 fursuit, they can afford a $10 pipe bomb in my mailbox.